In this video I'm going to show you how to download the LinkedIn app on your PC or laptop. Sometimes it can be useful to use the app on your PC or laptop. That is why we are showing you how to download this app. So for the first step, of course, like this video and subscribe to our channel to support us a little bit, and then we can go to the search bar. Now the next step is search for the Microsoft Store, and here you will find it. Select it and always make sure you are logged into your Microsoft account, otherwise you are not able to download any apps on this source. After that we need to look for the LinkedIn app, so search for that, and once you have found it, select it. Now, if you click on Get, this app will be downloaded on your PC or laptop. After that, you are able to log into your account or create a completely new LinkedIn account if you don't have one. And that is how you download the LinkedIn app on your PC or laptop. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!